pressure.
Oh, baby, because question 12 o'clock. If you answer, I'll be free. Who could be answering about this time? If you only send you time upon 5.
Yeah.
Watch our 6. Traffic room 7. Radio about matching 2. Don't you have any right to know?
You have.
Or call up fire rebel here.
Or the other one I so
say one. Auntie, she would like to know. Auntie, that then any Jacob who are 2 with G, and then present it to me, Bona. Because I see us so.
Matthias. So much GH ma obibia akwaba sonkon de ba ye dwumade yi so nyame hwe mo seda ne da munya ebre agi edwete ensema ye de ebesom mo wo eye gane wahala dwumade mu munua ba akwesi kapa na motimini na ene dei ye yankasa ye die mu ye nua ba afia pokua dodo na ni se vim lady han ye ka utie edi na timu se vim wom ba no ensem a chese edisa wokan one share on share so we are penny we are kwada we are mampenyo abede cho ye din won wo beka wo kire na adwin wie na anyamfo so bi wo ho na beka wo correct na no so de wo beje eno ne ade achese Ghana for epem e wo ne ho na ene dey wo din sim bia ba betu edwa wo hu ni se that bia ye kagu ma so na ye mema nye sorry wo ye kagu mema so se mema nye ene mema yesi ne mema yesi ne mema yesi na susu ni nyina so bo no ye mfa embo eye mana ne nsem odi tu edwa eye se men have been abused for too long. Or say, Mama, Yasha woman so Yasha woman ye ya I mebia ko woman ni ache ebre aso se wono as obabesia wo meka mama ne mo oba ababeka ama mema na ensem we denti a wo kama mema ni nyina ye chese empem agude no ho nkro ne ba na abusuam mi twa me ho aba me ba ye de mu nchemu ebeba beso mu. Sanso emamo akwaba sunkon ebim Miss Mexical ene day meneno ebe twitwen komo migidi ese mafe no pan wono so wafemu enti ene wo basa dia na onu se hit up we hiti ena wo de eba Miss Messi mo akwaba
Malekes kapa mejo so mini aba
empombo ko die
ya me adum ni gusu krai
ye de radiase Miss Messi ye nua ba say ye nua ba ye ma no betimi ye ma me ensusu vim lady afia pokua wadin simbia ba betu e just say men have been abused for too long into a brass so say wogina edema emema na nensen kaye mu nensem a wodi edi kan na chese wo hu ne say emema hu kira like shy e hye wo mo so na say nyoma wo mu kom ni na as a result of ma pressure ye de ema emema pressure ye de ma mema na ma wo mu like ekọ ohaw ne atete dwindwin ne won kọ ne ba wo mu timi ehia wo mu enkwanhie wo premature death emema wo mu wo premature nyina ema ye pressure ye de ma wo mu ene masa enyoma ni si na ensem we wadwentwe fa ho se
mini abaska dachi de sika de bo so de mejina akonya iso echia too much etiefo ene ahwefo ni na mungu sunhwe na nyame be hira mo mini aba wachire na adwun
nsamo okay
wachire na adwun waka na afa mu de se me ka so wachire na adwun a won se obi di na adwun kire ba enye obi a na obe second
yeah
wachire na adwun enye bad ni ono so dwen no but insem bi say no ayayen kano afafata
okay
see one before issues be coming out na nipa mienu na tena bom yes bibia ankoso eyi
ankoka papa
enje exactly enti me dem hu ni say waka na adwen but enye 100%
okay
say embema no na embama pressure to the extent that it lead them to early grave. Mini aba hwe yenye honest wa ha.
Okay.
Mbema no omo no mom ho pressure
Sam
me say omo enye obi na mom pressure hwe enye obi na kuma ntwio
bosi akuna di ti ja kire ma
me na me ka kire omo na mom ho pressure hwe mba ye was soft hearts
okay
oba ji wutumu a wa ji watumu prekope but se wanye ni oba ni pa eye o expression wo mo se pressure sa na koyi
eye expression e ma express wo mo hono na ma eye pressure
na na eye pressure
okay
a woman like to communicate
okay
she would like to talk it over
okay
obekasa no wo say yakasa is sort out ni na kuma to ni yim and most of the men are too busy with things that please them especially we can say omo ye workaholic obi wo wa too busy with work to the extent obeba dem on wabre obeda ain't the woman need time to talk over things with my husband with my man our communication if the communication is not effective there will be no peace if no right judgment is made there will not be peace so what this is what is happening
okay
say mini bemate wabre we have to talk things over now we fear oh that mean no because that's the time I'll get you and sorry ashim
okay juma
mama wa example kese pomo mo from juma diago but it should be balanced it should be what balanced enti ono how much no benya ne kono enti eno de oto won sana honey no we have things to talk over yes because en hu hia no and communication make relationship work
okay
enti man sha fa say mba no ma
emema ne pressure
obe me be kwa kwhye mo 12 o'clock e fi asa wa ba fie uko business identity no bad this time e bia unu say ni jua time upon 5
yeah
watch at 6 traffic will ma 7 radio ba ma 2 don't you have every right to know
you have
okono ko fire reba sisi a
or the other one abeso
say won enti she would like to know enti that day na ni aje ko bi wa watu wachi fe and then person me to me bona me kan asem si asem so
matiase
obi wo wa watu wachi fe wa ka benkun aje meko wa wa ni mekwase yes ebi mu bufu na mu di benkun kra che house
neighbor
gate man now aba no bi say baby ade na wo che sana we usno be ne kwada obema wada
into omo na the pressure na ama wo mu aho
they cause no soja no soja no so emba don be go mu petrol
okay
one thing they don't know say oba can be so soft but when they are fed up they are more than petrol they have that power say omo no mo asem that's why ojiri ewa kuma papa no dey support wa it goes well with you
okay
we have that grace the grace to pronounce and it will come to pass anything na be meant say we di oba bro no because uko she oba anyim na wan ji na onye oba papa no so di na no bru wia that chi bia be kwa hwehwe na kancho women have been given that grace to speak for it to come to pass so if you get a wrong woman you are doomed if by the grace you are able to find a wife in Christ Jesus everything is well with you until the choice makes it wrong or right but source and also we should consider the source
okay
say why is it so
okay aba mercy me ntwa no vim lady wo advice and answer wo didn't e man e kasa by say wo okọ afan was say and say ma dodo na our phone when it comes to empemu when we talk about sex and only the major issue ono wo gina so the different day yes mama mema pressure na wo chim no say women should stop complaining about dissatisfaction in bed as these complaints put unnecessary pressure on men to the extent that men take all sorts of concussion which endanger their manhood and life. So when they say a man wo bi wo hono ma ne kunu ne na be hyiam wo mpa so agora wie no an ena wo be market wa bi ena me krampo no ma nya tinka bia san enu no na emma kokofa eye concoction no kokofa eye mbro herbs ne ebinu won so amofu no ni bi enom a to the extent that ebetimi ama wo mahwere wo nkwa na say ebese wo mankasa abrabo enu hu say no kre na wo kan
mini abaye den no kre 30% of a truth.
okay
30% because our career is all about communication, and from beginning I'm worrying on. I think so you should know yourself well. And here's the case say oh baby a complain baby na begin it wasn't so. And later no things are changing. When we say be me kono ye say see there into obeti communication. It may be a career na bem. They have to fix it. Maybe so because mama omo pressure. I know what I'm talking. Maybe so most of them embarrassing. They are unfaithful. Most of the men, because aside the youth that are coming who are revealing us one's dressing, one keeping one may fear one year lovely, a bear manage your party effect. Into I know the obey me about fan chain. Into I worry for no mammy fire in shim. Ye, looking colorful. My ukono say, man, say me sika. Forever, and you easy. Into Koyano or Befi and if you are down, nothing changes, nothing is new. At times you push them out. It's even the shemukeke. Miniaba. Most of the men and so you deal my pressure in bar youth 18, 19.
Pressure yana
aside and ya aside crime edition. Me make a point. Ain't it say who abana some say when you're lovely will fear mom call away. Ain't it be a first and on my 20 minutes. Hot one. Say see our bar 5 minutes. The 15 minutes no. Away. Wabo wabonting. Oba a bema one didn't want to spend like almost spend no a whole lot of energy they release for women. Ain't it say we your bema now pen bar. Oba na ma pressure. A dream mentality, a debia way a dream, the mindset backing it makes it wrong or right. Ben maybe wakonye woo for a bonting. Ain't obeying one year to enjoy. Make debia me this example, no, Ben maybe or coffee showing you or kohutu a showing so. He was on drugs.
Yeah.
Just to suit himself. Ain't the percentage in a almost personal enjoyment. Ain't a mom going into that. Before a woman will agree with the husband, say, oh, be on drugs, no one will say, it wasn't so.
Okay.
And there is changes. So now we have to do something about it. We have to seek for medical attention. It's there. Ain't I no cause of money pressure because our communication. It may come one of them. I can't do things and only say pressure, but any pressure. That is communication when it's not effective. And when either the man is not faithful, okay, or when the man is losing it, say, or yare. And no, dear, as a wife, we need to do something about it. But because most of the pressure, no, kofaba. Let me make a point. Kofaba free abonting because stable. Now when you stable, now bowa. Wa won't na wo lose. And to be say, oh, you be. Oh yeah, oh you know. Unim say oh yeah, oh. Enti wo no mu ntem no. Enye oba bia na mom pressure. Wo ye ni year oba no be wo ye. Before oba beje gon. Na wo na wa course na manage gon. Yes.
Oba mercy. Ma who so kasa pa na so me pese me make point to be e wa hase. Yeah, vim lady. What can say be no na me pese me say yi. I say Emma angel so womo complain say womo kununum womo bema isa say wakwa akofa bema wonim say ana like we share bema no woni na anya hwe e na mode kokko ware ye Kristo sum ne yi enti say wakwa akohia no na say eyi na wo kokko hwe ye no unya okay a enu nti eni kwan so oka ana wo kan enu ne pressure no like me pese me hu. Does it mean say ukwa worry na if something is going on na enye okay, you don't have to say it because o can the pressure man man.
Me niaba eba ne sakra oba na obeka ne sen ya first day na be a surprising no open abeji wadi atumusa. Sex is just a portion of relationship. It's vital, but yeah, 100% vital in relationship.
Okay.
Ain't it fine? What offer? And koye. Send ya open. In baby once, try. Me film. Try. Have sex for one place. They've been in several relationships. And son, baby share be man. It's almost some personal problem. So very difficult or very faithful. And no dear, they don't even stay in the relationship for long.
Okay.
They will move out. Obe chitia ma wa permanent and no lady bear man too. Obenya broken heart, but be recover and moving on.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, no accept one no what no. Yes to more crano. Obe complain bia beginning obe nyenye kakra, but later no be adjusting on to rates.
Okay. Because
this is what I have, this is what is meant for me. And I have to get used to it. And gradually, once only a bit nana the super and so you good that ube pen as a man to the extent and your weakness cry, you love it.
Yeah.
And then I want pressure and bim. But me upo be to say your moon say a kid to a not still over 2 o'clock or no or adjusting to the situation because she found herself in it already. Also, so I will 2 o'clock with a meeting 1 month now by. Oh my wonder. For what reason? For where? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Ain't it bibi na koka bibi ma bibi e bibi.
Okay, oba mesi
aba.
Nensem no ensem na do so nti e bebo no in kakran nti usisi wonsem so na usisi so
Martin
amane. Ni statement mu no o make a statement say women go to the extent of physically, emotionally and verbally abusing their husbands, boyfriends, all because of they claim they are not satisfied. Romance is a two-way street, so women are also responsible for their satisfaction. Ni statement I will make is you kunu your boyfriend see it me like it one more physical, emotional and a verbal, all because of say satisfaction pay enti. Na satisfaction no ma responsible for their own. It is one boy and now kunu etia. Na se wunya satisfaction na anyone sa woka.
Sa woka. Tie and I make us say verbally no. And by what that beginning me can say what that grace. You can't someone emu epi.
Yeah.
You bet eno die ti in by say share anu ye because eno die ebubum bema. Utimi can word back when ebubum bema. But at times if in bema
I say remember no how won't what so can dey be a better na be man to anamo.
Eno na make can say no cry say you share anu ye. It doesn't matter. It say you level be. But in bema ni bin so you rigid. See won they are very rigid. Or no one can say no experience be you. It's not because a man in to say exactly what she's saying. Because some men are very rigid to the extent that they are not flexible at all. They are not romantic, but romantic and fun casting, but someone say it's part of the relationship. It is a worry now when you're romantic. Communication in general, as I said. Baby, you are not do like one say and you was soft at saying your crocro nipano. At times we feel like we need it in return. Even though say on our own we should be complete, but everybody needs somebody. So if I'm with you and I still feel your absence, can't I communicate with you? See well, it's pressure and you one source.
Okay.
And you one source. Me kunu ya ready. Just I made myself out maybe I'm busy. Oh no, tea my head tea, lip tea, be on a palm or send them quajuma. Now no me na me sana with honey. Baby, I'm busy. You can see I'm going to work. do you get it? And this thing continues for years, my sister.
I'll say like satisfaction in 2 ways.
That's what I'm saying. Wow. Say Oba not sacrifice it, and I knew Kunu didn't oppress or pampano. And so share a be a rigid. They mean business. If you marry a man who means business, you are doomed. And so on they're satisfying. Fine. Ain't it so? Who ye de be a? Now say also started reacting as he's reacting now. will there be peace in the house?
No.
Obano be so baby, you can see I'm busy in the kitchen. You think he's going to enjoy you in the house? Two wrongs
doesn't make one right.
That's it. And if I keep on doing it, I realize that you are not changing. It's in fact you are not. It's not a mutual something. I'm not benefiting anything. I will definitely communicate. Okay. So if the man is busy, maybe I read that church, they don't even have time for you. Especially when you maybe what aside the another say you mean nothing to them. So the woman will scream. They want their voice to be heard. They have opinions. My husband, you have to listen to me. Do you get it? It's a whole lot is going on in marriages. So you can't just based on one fact and say that the women are giving them. At times, men for their interest take no more for that medical concoction to drink. Or baby, when you know what corner or person enjoying in brand to be 1 year 20 years. If you have a person who can enjoy sex, no more medru. Now, sorry, I was in the wife and the man pressure. They give themselves pressure. Their eyes give them pressure.
Their eyes move.
Yes. Padia, a fair, colors. Who they share or bash on or bow trims is share colors. Oh, why should I in the car shall come? Got him. So, ain't he? And you'll be a mom pressure.
Or one and more pressure.
Unjuma be do with you.
Okay. May ye dear some no ebony win me person me who say Bema. Say, or you my one, our girlfriend Emma pressure to the extent a bar a year more and pemushia more my good year one puzzle and I say more communication more name one cronibam. Does this mean say aphrodisiacs and I the best option? Edema will say over no concussion, no one cronibam because of say a year one advertising and a major can, my girlfriend I can't. Is that the only best solution a member to me now? A because a year from lady working in an asset and one pressure a demo one they don't look anywhere to these things concussion aphrodisiac me
and I make us say depending on the individual. Life is your choice, it's your life. Okay. It's the mentality. If someone is pushing you to hit your head and you are not ready to hit your head, will the person force you?
No.
You have the strength to retaliate.
Okay.
Until life is a choice. Until only complaining. Let the person know that this is my stand.
Okay.
This is me. Take me for me. Do you get it? You don't need to please anybody aside pleasing God. The ultimate. Because we will mean this thing. Tomorrow we mean another thing. And it's a would you abandon channel the bemanity coffee fine dry. Or be still, it doesn't matter what you are doing, the person can still leave you. Okay. And why should you let people push you because of common interests? And choose what is good for you. Choose what you think, say at the end, I'm not going to lose anything. Okay. That man can live your life, that woman can live, even though someone mundra say, please, you can't please anybody. Okay. But you should just love genuinely, be genuine, be loyal, but don't try to please anybody. Please God only.
Please God only.
Yes.
Miss Mercy.
Yes, dear.
Who wants him be wait me the final words are to jam my tear for near shop for a while.
Or maybe I will share me near bathroom lady. Waka sabat or call a fan in same brain a siwa our remu. Our remu sem de mupi. And don't mean Jina one way and kasa. But Nyameka to be me saying our it doesn't matter near wukumu. A communication. A blessed is the peacemaker. A sumuje and love. We shouldn't be selfish. We shouldn't be what? Selfish. When we are self-centered, that's when things will go wrong. But when we give that love your neighbor as yourself, when we keep that in our relationship and we keep God as the center of our relationship, I think say a relationship any mungu said that ye mama no mo mutimiti na aware ni mu chaye no omo di abotre omo di odo omo di asumdue enetina ye omo ankoshe enenye gina so di ma bibi ye yende no wrong say na yiso say madam fu bi akọ shopping say me kunu ni sika. It doesn't make marriage. home no you understand a love, genuine love, a understanding, you have to be ready to build. That is relationship. Nipani, you don't know the man, you don't know the woman, and awakoshia, you have to blend. Into blending a whole lot of work, a whole lot of breaking and fixing, subtraction and addition. When you know that, your marriage and your relationship will stand.
Abamesi wakasa nyamisha pa.
Yeah, but when she wants to say I'm on the platform where to say, men so men share my dream.
And you'll be an and kaya outun sadia friend or baby in your many so I had in nyamisha pa. I will see for aha any day jumedi no e besi dear Miss Mercy e kan ye no one in ya dream. Also bit me the wadrin chair about one in your dream so we near before so and near or yes so nyat in the dear so and yet say neck as a chichi so for wadrin chair and so to a jar come fefe feni and kinkai and mawu. A beer months I won't subscribe to your channel now bit me I now I like your videos now I share so the ama and ya no ne adofon bit me so following away Instagram page at @sumagh_. Me amede jumede ho chia me medin ene ekwia sikapa me ne Miss Mercical ene twetwen enkomo dasene yebesane hia makramo
Oniadafo ahaye GH too much and ohwe malupi ene kase osofo malupi me hwe babia me nko babia too much GH kwa na mo fidie ne to kwa na me subscribe ka me ho nyenkohwensem pa wo ho me das makramo